RBM Infracon Limited. Incorporated in 2013, RBM Infracon Limited primarily engages in the engineering, execution, testing, commissioning, operation, and maintenance of mechanical and rotary equipment for oil and gas refineries, cement, fertilizer, petrochemicals, and coal gas-based power plants. The company offers a wide range of services, including structural and piping fabrication and erection, ARC maintenance, turnaround services, blasting, painting, insulation, refractory, as well as electrical and instrumentation work, and NDT. Technical performance. Shareholding. Promoter 72.45%. Public 27.55%. Technical levels. All-time high 1029. 52 weeks high 1029. Last week high 956. RBM Infracon, a microcap infrastructure company, has garnered significant attention due to its large order book, which has exceeded 5 times its market capitalization. Major clients like Reliance Industries and the Adani Group have contributed to this robust order book, showcasing the company's credibility and growth potential in infrastructure, mechanical, and related sectors. Over the past year, the stock has delivered exceptional returns, increasing by 508%, classifying it as a multibagger in the market. The company's strong financial performance and its expanding client base with major industrial players like Reliance and Adani have further contributed to its impressive growth. Stock performance. Over the past year, RBM Infracon has seen remarkable stock growth. As of 2nd October 24, its stock price stands at 1029 rupees, reflecting an annual growth of over 600%. The company's financial performance has been strong, with a revenue increase of approximately 56% in 2023, reaching 1.49 billion rupees, and a net profit growth of over 400%. This has boosted investor confidence, which is reflected in the significant appreciation of the stock price. Business performance. In the June 2024 quarter, RBM Infracon revenue declined by 32%, from 57.29 crore rupees in the previous quarter to 38.85 crore rupees. Similarly, net profit fell by 19%, dropping from 4.08 crore rupees to 3.29 crore rupees. However, on a year-on-year basis, the company showed strong business performance. In the June quarter of the previous year, its revenue was 19 crore rupees, marking a 99% increase to 38 crore rupees this year. During the same period, net profit grew by 250%, rising from 94 lakh rupees to 3.29 crore rupees. RBM move towards green energy. RBM Infracon Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Greenso Energy India Limited to develop and implement green hydrogen production facilities at 2 locations in Gujarat, Jamnagar and Kutch. These facilities will have a combined capacity of 15 megawatts, with an estimated investment of 200 crore rupees. This strategic partnership marks a significant step towards sustainable energy solutions in the sector. Under the terms of the MoU, RBM Infracon will serve as the developer, integrator, and owner of the green hydrogen production facilities. Greenso Energy's role. This partnership aims to develop green hydrogen projects in key locations such as Jamnagar, Kutch, and Bhuj, which could benefit major corporate companies across various industrial sectors. The green hydrogen produced will play a crucial role in reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable practices in industries like refineries and fertilizers. Strong order booking. The company's order book stands at 4,898 crore rupees, which is 5.03 times greater than its current market cap. Recently, RBM Infracon secured a new order worth 3,498 crore rupees from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Following this order, the multibagger RBM Infracon stock hit a 5% upper circuit. New contract with Reliance. RBM Infracon Limited recently entered into a significant contract with Reliance Industries, valued at 1.31 crore rupees, which includes associated civil works. Additionally, RBM Infracon secured a new project worth 95 crore rupees from Kalpatru Projects International. These contracts further strengthen RBM Infracon order book, reflecting its growing importance in the infrastructure and mechanical sectors. What is your prediction? Comment. Conclusion. RBM Infracon is performing strongly both operationally and in the stock market. Although its stock price has been volatile at times, the company's significant revenue growth alongside new contract awards continues to sustain strong investor confidence. This stock is likely to attract investors looking for exposure to India's growing infrastructure and construction sectors. Thank you.